Hello and welcome. Today I'm gonna tell you about electronic valves of coffee machine DeLonghi. On DeLonghi we can get one valve, two valves or three valves. On top machines like Primadonna S, some models. On cheap machine like this DeLonghi 23.450 we got one electronic valve. It's three waves. On this main middle class coffee machine DeLonghi we get two valves, one behind the steam boiler and one near the main boiler. So what is electronic valves and what they doing in our coffee machines? First of all, they look such like this. If we disassemble these electronic valves, it inside will look like this from three parts. We got electronic coil. Electronic coil moving with small parts inside valves, and these parts open out for the water. If you look in these white parts, you will see two numbers, 1 and 2. 1 means inlet, 2 means outlet. So if we put this in right order, this is inlet, this is out. On this valve here you can see pump. After pump is inlet, and from different out it's outlet. Outlet go to the main boiler, and top part go to the steam boiler and to the drainage. So what does do this electronic valves when it got three ways like this? When it closed, so no voltage is sending to this coil, water will go here to the inlet, it's out blocked, so when the pressure is greater than 3 bar, water will go to this top outlet, and here it can go to the steam boiler, and if it's out blocked here, it will be blocked on this second electronic valve, it go to the drainage. But if this second electronic valve is open, it got two inlets with white part, white plastic something, and from different part, this is 1, this is 2. From the 2 it got outlet directly to our milk jug. So if it didn't work properly, we didn't get any steam. If this electronic valve didn't work correctly, we didn't get any steam, and we get from this outlet hot water, because this electronic valve sending water from the inlet to the steam boiler or to the main boiler. If it didn't work perfectly, it mixes these two parts, and we get actually hot water with temperature about 100 degrees, which isn't the steam what can make you a milk foam. If this electronic valve didn't work correctly, we got our steam going from this tube, but not in our milk jug, or we can get a weak steam. actually steam will out from this spout, but it's so weak it can't make milk foam. So we disassemble this electronic valve, and let's see what we can see in this electronic valve inside. Actually, you see rust from top and down. If your electronic valve get one, you must replace it because it didn't work well 100%. It will be broke or didn't close or didn't open. This is very bad for this electronic valve. So if you got these problems 100%, go and buy a new one. And take a look to this spring. Is it in good conditions? If it broke some parts of it, you must replace this electronic valve too. Or if you got such spring, you can actually can replace only this spring. So if you DeLonghi can get milk from this milk jug, you can find these problems in these electronic valves. Okay, thank you for your attention. Goodbye.